fast, efficient, proactive maintenance and repairs with less downtime and a deeply discounted labor rate. It might sound too good to be true, but it's not. Hi, I'm Tom Wiers. Many businesses have joined our Fleet Partner program to save time, save money, and reduce repairs. The Fleet Partner program is purposely designed for time-sensitive companies looking for a long-term solution without sacrificing short-term flexibility. Fleet Partners save time with priority mobile service and next available bay status. Customers can choose to have their vehicles serviced at their location for improved convenience or at a Wiers service center. Wiers Fleet Partners pay $40 per hour less than our standard labor rate, or as much as $80 lower than a typical dealer labor rate. The Wiers maintenance system ensures comprehensive maintenance and inspections specific for your vehicles and truck equipment. And the Fleet Partner online virtual assistant provides complete visibility to your fleet spend, PM and DOT schedules, inspection reports, and invoice storage. The data is clear. Proper maintenance and inspections conducted at the right intervals reduces repairs and downtime by 20% or more. With the Wiers Fleet Partner program, you save time with mobile service and next available bay status, save money with a $40 per hour labor rate discount, and reduce repairs with the Wiers maintenance system. Start saving on fleet maintenance and repairs. Talk to a Wiers National Account representative today or visit wiers.com/Fleet Partner Program. We are Wiers, and we make trucks roll.